Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. I am the Welders' wife. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. As for today, we are doing another What's for Dinner. These are my most favorite videos that I do have on my channel, so I know you guys are always excited to see these. Today's What's for Dinner, these meals are so simple, easy, and quick. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's hop right in. So the first recipe is going to be a brown sugar and pineapple ham. This is so delicious and so simple. So all you're going to need is some pineapple tiblets, some brown sugar, and a ham, and also your crock pot liners. I'm obsessed with these things. If you've never used crock pot liners before, you are so missing out. The cleanup of this is so easy. So if you're a busy working mom like me, these are really a lifesaver. So I'm just going to prep my crock pot and stick my liner in there. I'm going to take half the bag of brown sugar and I'm going to put it into the bottom of the crock pot, and then I will place my ham on top of that. And then once I have my ham in there, I am just going to add the rest of that brown sugar on top of the ham. And then I will just add the can of pineapples on top of that. So I cook this on high for 2 hours. So when I get home from work, I get all this in there, get it on for 2 hours, and do things that I need to do around the house. And then it is done. So that is going to be our first dinner. And I wanted to show you guys this clip of the ham after it's done inside the crock pot. Oh my gosh, it just looks so good. And it makes your house smell delicious as well. So all I did was I served this with some Hashbrown Casserole, which if you haven't seen my latest breakfast cook and clean with me, I will link it, and the recipe for that is in there as well. So on the following night, we had chicken Alfredo. This is so easy. You just need 2 cups of heavy cream, a triangle of Parmesan cheese, some garlic powder, a stick of butter, the Zaterans blackened chicken, or not blackened chicken, it's blackened seasoning, your fettuccine noodles, and I use chicken tenderloins. So to start off, we are just going to be getting our water ready for our noodles and getting that to boil. And then now I'm just going to take the chicken tenderloins and I'm going to just season them with the Zaterans seasoning, and then I will just stick my chicken into the frying pan and cook it until it is complete. And then once I get my first layer of chicken in there, then usually it is oh my goodness, you guys, I can't talk today. Usually the water is done boiling, so then I go ahead and I stick my noodles in then.
No, I ain't giving you up. I ain't never gonna give you up. No, I ain't giving you up. Giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. I gave up and tried giving you up.
So while all of that is cooking, I am just going to grate up my cheese. You can buy this already grated if you want to, but I just feel like it tastes better whenever you grate it yourself. I know that may be totally weird, but it's totally fine if you buy it already done. So then to get started on the Alfredo sauce, this is so easy and it's so good. So you just take your stick of butter and you melt that into your saucepan. Then you're going to take a teaspoon of garlic powder, and you're going to stir it into the butter. And then once that's all nice and mixed together, you take your 2 cups of heavy cream and pour it into the pan. And then you just stir that and put it on medium heat. And then when it comes up to a sizzle, you are going to then add all of that cheese and then just stir it and cook it until that cheese is all melted. And then you will have your very own homemade Alfredo sauce, and everyone will think it came from a restaurant and you made it at home. So super simple. And we just served this with some breadsticks, and we did have a side salad as well that I forgot to show you guys, so I'm sorry about that. But that is what we had for dinner, and like I said, it's so good. Also, that blackened chicken is good on salads. My daughter loves that. So for the next night, we are having macaroni and cheese and pigs in a blanket. If you've never had this before, all you do is you roll out your crescent rolls, and then you will, tear the crescent rolls apart, and then you just roll up your hot dogs in those, and then you just do the directions on the back of the crescent rolls. You guys, I bought Great Value ones this time, and I feel like they were super sticky, the crescent rolls. I don't know if I just maybe got a weird one, but you guys let me know if you buy the Great Value ones, if they're like a different type of texture than like the Pillsbury ones. So then like I said, I just followed the directions, and we just had ours with mac and cheese. I ate mine with mustard. You guys let me know down below what you eat yours with. On the next night, I'm making Pepperjack Poblano Chicken in the crock pot. You're just going to need some Cavenders, some Tony Chacheres, if I'm saying that right, a can of chicken broth. We used 4 chicken breasts. We probably could only use 2. And then, of course, some Pablano Peppers, and then 12 slices of Pepperjack cheese. So I just put in my crock pot liner. I poured in the can of chicken broth. Then I layered my chicken breast. I'm going to season those with the Cavenders and the Tony Chacheres, or however you say that. I totally butcher that every time I say it. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to cut up the Poblano Peppers. I'm going to put those into the crock pot, and then I will layer the Pepperjack cheese on top of all of that. Super simple. And then I cook that on low while I'm at work. If you're at home during the day, you could put it on high for 4 hours and it would be fine, but I did mine on low. And then I just served mine with some cream style corn, and not even kidding, some chicken ramen noodles, because I had nothing else to make with them, and so I had to come up with another side. And literally, that is literally what that is. I know, so ridiculous, but guess what? It works, and that's all that matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.